thank you Holiday Inn Express for having some gluten-free options. It was great to wake up to. We'll definitely be coming back. We're at the first stop on our grand adventure. We're at a piece of my aunt's land. We're camping here in the camper, as you can see. And yesterday we went and saw my cousin. I didn't really vlog anything there. My dad had like a 6 a.m. flight, so he left and now he's at home. But we did work in school up until checkout time, and then we left and came here. It was only like 4 hours in the car, so it was nice. And we had enough like good sunlight to unpack and everything. Now there's a fire going, and we're gonna have burgers for dinner, I think. So yeah, tomorrow we're going shopping. It's my aunt's birthday, so we're gonna go on a trail ride. I'm super excited. I will try to film some of that with my GoPro maybe. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. We just got back from about a 2.5-hour trail ride. I had lots of fun, and I hope we get to ride later in the week too. That would be really fun. I did school in the morning, just nothing exciting. Now it's starting to sprinkle, but I was just thinking hang out. It's Wednesday, and my aunt and I went on a trail ride this morning after I did school. It is 5:30-ish. Tonight we're gonna have dinner in our camper, and then I have a school meeting, and we're gonna go over to one of my aunt's friends. She has a good Wi-Fi connection, so we're gonna go over there for my meeting, and then we'll come back and probably have a campfire. So yeah. Hello. It is Thursday night. I didn't really vlog it all today, but this morning my aunt and I and her friend went on a trail ride. It was a lot of fun. Then my mom and I had to go out to find Wi-Fi so we could do 3 calls. One of them ended up being canceled, and the Wi-Fi was really bad, so we kept cutting in and out, but it ended up being alright. And then we came back here and had dinner. We had like some Thai food that we made, and then my uncle and I played guitar. That was fun. And now I'm gonna go to bed. Today is Friday. My aunt and I went on a long trail ride this morning, and we kind of just chilled until we went over to one of her friend's house to have pizza, and there were a bunch of dogs there. It was nice. And we saw this thing on TV that there's this like giant gathering of ukulele players, and they're trying to set some record tomorrow, and it's within range. We could drive there tomorrow, so we're gonna go there, and I have my ukulele, so why not? I'm really excited, and we will have time for a ride in the morning. We won't go if it rains though, so hopefully it doesn't rain, and we'll be going to the ukulele thing. So, and we'll be going to a different location. Right now we're camping, but we're going to be going to a different place. It's Sunday morning, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Yesterday I went on a trail ride, and then we left my aunt's place at about 1, and we drove to this ukulele festival. I will have footage of that if you've seen it. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed just being in that group and trying all the ukuleles out. Then we left and we came here, and this is where we stayed when we went to Magic Kingdom in November. So yeah, I'll see you next week.